So for number 10, it's asking me to identify the segment bisector of segment xy and then find the distance between x and y. So I know that in order for something to be a segment bisector, it has to hit right at the midpoint or cross it or go through it. And I know that point M is my midpoint because it splits xy into two equal parts. xm and my are equivalent, they're congruent, they're the same because I have those tick marks representing that, those red tick marks on either side. So because those are the same, M is my midpoint, and because line N goes right through M, line N is my segment bisector. All right, now it actually wants me to do some math here. It wants me to find the distance between x and y. Well, in order to do that, I need my x value. I need to find out what x is. Well, if I know that xm is actually equal to my, then I can say that xm is 5x plus 8 and my is 9x plus 12. I can substitute those expressions in there. 5x plus 8 equals 9x plus 12. So solving for x, I'm going to move my x's to the right side. Minus 5x minus 5x. I'm left with 8 equals 4x plus 12. I'm going to subtract my 12 over to the left side. And I get negative 4 equals 4x. Dividing by 4 to get x by itself, I get that x equals negative 1 here. Alright, but I'm not actually done. I have to actually substitute this x value into my expressions up top here and here. So I'm going to do that off to the side here. If I want the distance between x and y, I need to actually substitute my x's in and then add all of that together to find the total distance. So I'm actually going to take 5 times negative 1 plus 8, and I'm going to actually add together both my segments. So then I'm going to add my 9 times negative 1 plus 12. I just substituted my negative 1 in for x, and I'm adding both those segments together to get the entire distance. So I have negative 5 plus 8 minus 9 plus 12. Well, I know that negative 5 plus 8 is 3. I'm taking this one step at a time. I know that 3 minus 9 is negative 6. And I know that negative 6 plus 12 gives me positive 6. So 6 is the distance between x and y. That's how you'd write that answer.